staring at a sun that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the pain just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can seem to keep himself out of trouble. Goes out and he makes his monthly the bedroom house. Another body laying cold in the gut. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Inner Praises has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. He's in loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His hair's spreading and he doesn't know why. Letters took him to his final resting. You don't kill me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Woo! Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
I see that we wrote too many faces. You like a star and it's so patient, but you drop it in a way and you do something like that. Let me show you there's no more waterfalls. Do you understand the way that I'm doing, the point that I'm saying, and the thing that I'm saying? You're never gonna get this way, no bet. I don't know the lyrics, but I just sing something like that. And you don't care, I don't care, but I'm gonna do something like it's never end. And don't be thinking with the homies right now. We're gonna do that today, like it's all with the waterfalls.
Waterfalls. Listen to the river and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh, chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listening to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing else, but I think you're